Tinini o sharik jorawano Tripura border par ongi thangnai Tripura border par ongmani yakolo busuk jorawo sogwi jaknai hayekeba bo jagao bathak jaknai tabusuk jora saimaniako hinino tini o khorokcha phankrak tini Delhi Hakotor Thangmani himui thangnai bo jagao sogwinai saimaniako tinini bathak thai jagarok hinino tini lukurokni boskango phaye hayekeba bini Facebook Tarokni bisingtino tini lukurokno saklai rijakmani koktama kasoi phaika debate murasingni khukteino ahikeno saimangkhachung koktamani bisingti tini phungkachang jorani bisingo lamrimani bo busuk jorao sogwinai tabusuk jora saimaniako hini sawi khanarika bini je logiwo thangnai lukurokno bo belakheno khakaham yaphari tini obono chung mangplirogo nukha khorokcha advocate Anthony Debroma Bobo Haine tini debate murasingni logiwo himui logi rismeimani haikat TTADC hapangni baburonjon riang Bobo Haino logi rui tongmani mangpuli kasoi pheka tamke tini obono Tiprasaro kubui no thangi thangnani lama rokno chobak hingkai kubui tini kubui kathar khaino logi rilaimani aba haikeno nukjako chung Tiprasa lukurokni bisingti obono Tiprasa lukurok bahaino tini khorokcha o Tiprasa phankrak haikeba Delhi Hakotor himi thangnai tini Noagang kami amchaini Tiprasa lukurok bono belakheno khabai khubai khaye haikeba khabai tinino bono nairigi hormani abahai mangplirok bahaino kasaka mokolni muktui khiklai laye okra chakra rokni bisingtino tini Noagang kami amchaini lukurokni bisingti mukti khiklai lam sogui hormani pandabo haino nukjaka mangplini bisingti obono o mangplirokni bisingtino pok sawi khanarika tawanadi salsa Tiprasarokni langma mathangjakni hayekeba thangi thangnani lamaroknono chung obahaikeno samung makhaine joto Tiprasa o hani basa lukurok joto thancha yapri kaisa khaino chung obahaike choba makhaine hini sawi khanarika o khorokcha phankrak Delhi Hakotor himi thangnai debate murasing o kokroknono sawi khanarika Noagang kami amchani Tiprasa lukurokno teibo sawi khanarika o khorokcha Tiprasa phankrak Delhi Hakotor himui tini lukurokni phanotye lukurokni je tharmungnok tuino tini bo o hasteni laibuma harokno tuye Delhi Hakotor Thangmani sakni manthai soktairok kamawi tongmani sakni laibumarok kamawi tongmani abono ang sanai phainai haikeba tini mo haike ongibo ang tini chini chobarokno taibo kotor khaijaki mano tini chini o chobarokni bisingti manya khai hasteo taibo choba kotor phaimano hini tini debate murasing lukurokni boskango kokri kalangmani koktoma.
We are almost reaching Noagang. It is one of the last village, Tiprasa village of Tripura border, Churaibari, before Churaibari border, and I very much thankful to all the Tiprasa, those who are helping and those who are encouraging me to achieve this almost 200-kilometer walk from Agartala to Churaibari. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, hambai. And I must thank our brother and most energetic EM, Land and Revenue Department of TTADC, Brother Baburanjan Riyang, for his accompany in this long march, and also thanks to our brother and prominent advocate of Tiprasa, Brother Anthony, for coming to boost this movement. And All the senior citizens of Agartala, they are also coming here to support and to give energy. Thank you very much. Hambai. Hambai. Thank you. And I'm very much thankful to I am very much thankful to police and police personnel and departments, those who are helping this movement and secure us to I'm very tired right now, so I can speak properly. So many people are gathering around me, and thank you very much. Fan is there. Thank you. And of course, Orabda and Centroda, they are also coming here to boost this movement, district movement. So, thank you very much to all. Kolomka Tiprasa, Kolomka Northeast, and this movement is not only for Tripura. This movement is for whole Northeast and also for the whole India, because I am also the son of Bharat Mata, and अगर भारत माता को बचाना है तो हम लोग को एक साथ लड़ना है. Tripura secure होगा if we able to secure Tripura, if we able to secure Northeast, if we able to secure the demography of Tripura and Northeast, then we can secure India. Bharat Mata ki jai. Tripura Zindabad. Northeast unity Zindabad. Hambai.